Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today's going to be a quick one. It's just basically a review of a product that was sent to me, Puncube. It's designed by Puncube, and it's the Mech Wallet. So in this case, this nice, really cool like metallic case, there's a wallet in here that's used for credit cards, and it basically protects the credit cards from falling out. Supposedly they don't fall out. So I'm really curious what this thing does and how it works, you know? So we're gonna go through this really quickly. I've just took it out of the box, but I didn't open it up or anything. So we're gonna do this in real time. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so it looks like there's something on the, oh, it's magnetic. Oh, check that out. It's a magnetic envelope, and we're gonna open this envelope up, right? So this is the model 8807. Pretty cool case that it comes with, you know, I gotta say. So we're gonna open this up. Well, that was satisfying. And we're gonna see what this is all about. So this is, what is this? Mech Wallet MagSafe module, designed by Puncube, model 9007. Cool little device. Now we're gonna like learn a little bit more about this and try to figure out what it does, you know? I mean, it kind of looks like, I mean, obviously it's magnetic, right? So we're gonna open this box up, and that's what it comes with, right? There's like a little instructions manual here with a money clip, accessory installation, screw attachment. It comes with a screwdriver. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's really like high tech. It looks like it's built really well too, like high quality stuff. So let's read into this a little bit. So number one, money clip installation, nano gel. To install, peel the film and firmly press the clip onto the back of the Mech Wallet. To remove, push the clip sideways to separate it from the wallet. Okay. So if we want the money clip, right, which it comes with, it's got like an adhesive strip in the back, and you would have to pull that off and then put it on the back side of the wallet, right? So let's take this wallet out. So on the back side of this wallet, you can kind of clean that with a little alcohol and put the money clip on there, so you can put your $5 bills, $1,000 bills, whatever you got, onto the back side of it. So that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna put the money clip on because I think I'm gonna give this to my daughter, and I wanna see if she likes it. To hold her credit cards and they don't fall out. So I don't want to put it on there, and if she doesn't want that on there, you know, it's going to be in a little bit of an issue, but she could peel it off too. The accessories installation, screw attachment. Locate the included set of screws within the package. Use a screwdriver to fasten the accessories onto the designated attachment points on the back of the Mech Wallet. Okay, so apparently, oh, I see. So this right here, the magnet has like little holes in them, and it comes with, in the package on the back side, it's really well packaged for sure. In this little envelope, you can see the little screws in there, right? So those screws allow you to screw this magnetic piece on, right? It aligns with the holes that are on the Mech Wallet itself, right? They're little tiny like countersunk screws, and you can kind of like bolt it on there, and then it's magnetic. You can kind of use this on a phone or whatever. I think, yeah, here, it goes this way. So basically, you know, it's chamfered edge, right? And then it goes onto the wallet that way. And then the countersunk screw head is right there. Hopefully you can see that. And yeah, they're little tiny screws. And they actually give you, believe it or not, they give you a screwdriver. Like a little, it looks like it's a Torx. No, it's a Phillips head. So small you could barely tell, but it's a Phillips head screw head, right? And you can use this to kind of install that. So that's pretty cool. So maybe we'll do that. And then the Mech Wallet. Push feels so stiff. Push force may vary depending on the model, card type, and count, and personal usage habits. Some users may need a short period of time to adjust and find the most comfortable way to use it. If it still feels unusually stiff after some use, please contact us at service@puncube.com. So they have a service center. I think I saw a phone number somewhere also, so you can reach out to them if there's a problem. So yeah, definitely 100% legitimate. The Mech Wallet holds up to 6 flat cards, 5 embossed cards. For a smoother push, move your finger with the area shown below. Okay, so let's see. Let's move this, and it's made out of aluminum alloy too, by the way, so pretty durable. So you should be able to, whoop, right? Move it up and down. It's got whatever gears are inside to kind of help expose the credit cards. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Really cool. And it's definitely, looks like it's repairable too, because you can take this thing apart. It's got like Phillips screwdrivers here, and you can kind of like dismantle this thing. And if you really wanted to, you can kind of repair it. So it says, for a smoother push, move your fingers with the area shown below. Too many cards or unusual card types may cause the wallet to jam. If that happens, remove a few cards, right? So it's limited, right? So 6 cards, 5 embossed cards, you know. So I have 6 cards with me. We're going to put them in here. We're going to see how it kind of plays out and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to put my first 3 cards in, and I'm going to put the other one. Wow, and they fit real snug. They really do. And then we're going to put the other ones in here. And then there you go. 6 cards in here. Whoop. Oh, that's so cool. And it kind of like, it just brings them out. So they're basically all like separated, and you can identify which one you want, right? So if I want this card, then boom, I got this card. If I want the blue one, I can go ahead and bloop, pull out the blue one, right? That's my Talking with Cars blue one, right? With the QR code. Pretty neat, right? The dot cards. These things are really cool, by the way. So they're really super safe. It's got your information on there. It kind of like you go up to someone else's phone and it'll pick up the information, and they could download your contact information. So it's awesome, awesome, pretty cool little thing. So yeah, that's really awesome. So let's go ahead and install the magnet and see what that's all about. So let's line that up and install the little screws and see what it does. So we got the first screw going in. We're going to install that one. And again, it's got a little like pre-done countersunk. I'm not going to like tighten them too much. I don't think they have to be too tight. And we're going to install the second one now. And they give you a couple extra ones too, just in case you lose them, because they are so small. This little screwdriver is cute. And it looks like you can kind of replace the head too, if you had to. So yeah. All right, so that's on there. That's on there. All right. Pretty cool. You can hear it. Not bad. And it's very, let's see if they fall out, right? Because that was the biggest thing. Nope, they don't fall out. Pretty cool, right? That's awesome. Pretty neat idea. And then this is magnetic, so you should be able to kind of connect it to any magnetic location. Whoa, and that's pretty strong, for sure. Very strong. Pretty cool, you know? So if you had one of those like, I guess if you really wanted to kind of place this someplace and it's safe. So it's kind of like looking back at the company itself, and it's pretty interesting, right? So the creator of Puncube, Mr. Zeng, and he's an engineer. His inspiration comes from the moments of travel fused with creativity of our design team. With 4 successful Kickstarter projects under our belts in just 3 years, we're on fire. And guess what? They have another item that's coming down. It's going to be dropped. So I'm really curious to see what this is all about. They have a website called puncube.com. We're going to go on to that website. We're going to check some stuff out. But we're going to like double check the Mech Wallet, right? I'm going to learn a little bit more about it. It's $69. It's got 4.8 stars out of 2,500 reviews. It comes in a few different colors. Wasteland Black, Wasteland Sand, Wasteland Gray, which is the one I have. It comes with Horizon Black and Ripple Sand. So pretty cool color selections. And the profiles are slightly different too. And then they also sell it in titanium, which is really neat. That's $239. So it's definitely a conversation starter, no question about it. You know, you can save 40% off right now because they're normally, the titanium one's normally $398. So it's no joke, guys. So $99 is the typical price for the Mech Wallet that I have, right? This one right here. Pretty cool design, very durable. But they are selling it for $69, so it's 30% off. And they do have some kind of options, you know, for this device. So you don't have to put the magnet on there. You can remove that and put another device on there, like a bifold module, so you could put your cash and it's not visible. That's 19 bucks. The MagSafe module, I guess this is MagSafe module. They're showing it on the back of a phone, right? Oh, duh. So it's a MagSafe that goes to the back of your phone. Pretty cool. I did not know that. That's pretty neat. AirTag module, that's a great idea. So you could put an AirTag in it and then basically track it if, God forbid, you lose it. And then a Sentry card, right? So I'm not really sure what a Sentry card is. Oh, the Sentry card is probably like an AirTag also. It's ultra slim 1.8 millimeter dual system tracker for iOS and Android. So it works with both Apple and Android with no ecosystem lock-in, ideal for gifting, family sharing, phone upgrades. Pretty cool. It's waterproof, all that kind of good stuff. So there's free shipping, 100-day return, 5-year warranty. And yeah, this thing is a beast, you know, CNC machined from solid metal, feels strong, refined, and built to last. I'm loving this thing, right? It's small, it's compact, it does everything you want it to do. It's pretty sturdy on there. You know, I think, yeah, it goes in like this. That is really cool. I like that idea, you know, and the cards, you know, they don't fall out, right? I do have one wallet, and it's your typical wallet, the leather wallet, and my cards sometimes fall out, believe it or not. So that's a really cool idea. Well, thank you so much, Puncube. I appreciate it. Kickstarter, I do appreciate everything that you guys are doing. Andy, thank you so much for sending this out to me. This was sent out to me for free. Thank you, Andy, for sending this out to me, but I'm 100% honest with reviews, and I'm really thoroughly satisfied with this, no question about it. I think it's cool. It's a neat idea. It's very convenient, really neat idea. So awesome job, Puncube. The Mech Wallet, really neat idea. So I'll put the links down below, everything that you need. If there's a coupon code, I'll share that coupon code with you guys, but I'd recommend getting one if you're interested in something like this. If you're going on long travel trips, if you're going on an off-road trip or something like that, and things are bouncing around, you want something safe where your cards are, you know, protected and they won't fall out. Pretty neat idea, right? So go ahead and buy yourself one, 69 bucks, you can't go wrong. And if you have a little dough and you want to go with the titanium one, go for it. That's awesome, and it'd be super light. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, hype me if you can, and peace out. Woo!